Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have a few packages. This is just a mini haul, but I want to get them open because I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's get it out. And here I have eyelashes. How do you open this? And these eyelashes are really cute. Once I saw them, I was like, I have to get these because look at how adorable. Like, they're like wispy in the ends. Can you see that? And they have like a fox or a cat eye. And these say fox eye. Yeah, because I had got the cat eye last time and they were kind of not that long. And people started laughing at my choice. And so I think what everybody was telling me was that I needed these little thingies to buy single ones and like fill it in. Because I had got a pack of them, like a little bit more than this, but I only spent like less than $5. These were like $3 something. So to me, it's a good deal because they're like 5 sets. So I mean, if I wear them, like, I just can throw them away and not have to worry about not having. Now these, I bought a Forever 21 tank. And I know I told you guys I was buying for spring. So this is a white one. But it's not, it's a muscle, it's a racerback, you know, like a muscle tee. And I spent like $4 on this. This is size small. And it's a regular, it's literally a regular tank top. But it has like a seam in the back. You know. So, I mean, it's just a plain tank. It's real cute. And it's kind of, it's good material. So that was a good buy. And then let's see, what's in here? Oh, these are another panty that I got. These panty. I don't think I can open it. Let me see. Oh, yeah. So these are thongs that I got one in small, and this one I got in medium. So that way it fits me and covers everything. So like these are nice, like if you wear like revealing clothing, I feel like you need to be covered, you know. And like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not Bianca Censori, so things are gonna get covered. Obviously, I'm not gonna go out desnuda. Like, so I buy things that, you know, like, it kind of looks normal, but also protects me from exposure. And I feel like these were perfect. They were $4, $3.99. And I got them this time in size medium. Because last time I wore them on my hip and they were cutting into my hip. So, I mean, yeah. That I was doing a photo shoot actually on my IG, for my IG and all my socials, and I kind of wanted something that fit me, so I got the same one, just another size. And this is, I think this is it. Yeah. This smells so good. This is odor fighting Glade clean linen. So I like to buy air freshener sprays, and I ran out, and I was usually buying like cinnamon and like spice flavors, spice scents. So this time I got clean linen because it just smelled like freshness, and it's spring, so I kind of need to change up. Like, if it's not going to be floral, it's going to be basic and, you know, still make the air smell nice and crispy. So get rid of that. So the next one, so I got these aloe. I used to drink these all the time, and I was like, I'm gonna buy these because they're healthy. And this one actually also has pineapple, I think. Yeah, it's pineapple and aloe. So these are kind of natural drinks, but this is by Iberia, and I got, how many is that? 8 for like less than $15. It was like 12 something, like maybe $12.99. Like I get stuff on sale all the time, and I felt like, you know, that was like smart. Because like I once in a while I'll crave one, you know. And this one, I got this one because I do makeup tutorials, and I noticed like my makeup isn't as it's not as pigmented as I wanted it. And like, in order to make sure that I get it on all the spots, I like to oh look, it comes with a hair clips. It comes with 2. That's cute. I want to make sure that, you know. Oh, and look how cute. It comes with a little bow. That's darling. I wanted to make sure that I got, you know. Oh, this is like a little powder poof. That's nice. You just, it's an applicator for makeup. It's cute. So here is a LED oval desktop mirror, and I think it's just a 1x, so it's not like a magnified mirror, but it does have a light, and this is just the instructions and guide. So I figured this is the bottom, and here's the charger. So here is the stand, and I guess you just twist it like that, and same with this part. Look how easy it is to assemble. That, I love that. So you just follow the guide, clip it in, and voila. You see that? Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So this is a wonderful purchase. It was only like $7. It was like $6.99. And I feel like it's worth it, you know, because like my makeup, it's very important to me that I do it right. And so I don't know, tell me what you guys think. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My Sunday Frump. Bye bye.